Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Venmo card in a store. So, using a Venmo debit card in stores is quick, easy and works anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Here's how you can do it. So, once your Venmo card arrives, open the Venmo app and go to card section. Now, choose Venmo debit card and tap activate and enter the last 4 digits of your card number. Once it's activated, you can start using it immediately both in a store and online. So, your Venmo card uses your Venmo balance to make payments. If you don't have enough, tap Manage Balance and tap Add Money to transfer funds from your linked bank account. You can also enable reloads so Venmo automatically pulls from your bank when the balance runs low. Now at checkout, simply insert, swipe or tap your Venmo card wherever MasterCard is accepted. For faster checkout, enable contactless payments, look for the tap to pay symbol on payment terminals, and your transaction will instantly deduct from your Venmo balance. Now, you can also link your Venmo card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for digital payments. Just open your wallet app and add your Venmo card and tap your phone at checkout for a quick, secure payment experience. Every time you make a purchase, you will get a real-time notification in the Venmo app showing the merchant and amount. You can also view your spending history, freeze your card, or manage limits anytime from the Cards tab. And that's how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.